How to fix professional mode option not showing on Facebook. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Play Store, tap on the search icon and search for Facebook. Now tap on search and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, go back to the home screen and open up settings on your device. Now scroll down and click on apps. Now go to app management and search for Facebook. Now tap on Facebook. Now click on Force Stop and go to Storage Usage. Now tap on Clear Cache. Again tap on Clear Data and tap on Delete. Now restart the application. Now open up Facebook on your device and log in into your account. Now tap on three dots at the top right corner. Now scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy and go to Settings. Now scroll down. Now tap on Profile Locking. Now simply tap on Unlock if you have locked your profile. Now simply go back. Again go back. Now once you're done, simply go back and tap on your profile. Now refresh the page. And that's it. I hope this will fix the issue. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.